see here in the kitchen, we have the open concept. It opens onto the living room, the breakfast area. We have granite countertops. We have gorgeous cabinets, and let's check out the backyard real quick. As you can see here, we have in the backyard a gorgeous 2 sets of tennis courts, a playground, a pool, and a nice cabana area. Beautiful place to be able to invite your family and friends into enjoying the outdoors, super close to your home. Let's go upstairs. Welcome to the upstairs loft. This area can be used as a secondary family area, an office, a studio. It's flexible to your needs. Let's check out the master. Welcome to the master bedroom and bathroom. Here we have a huge, spacious, tray ceiling master bedroom and the bathroom. We have the his and hers sink, tub, shower, toilet. Let's check out this walk-in closet. And one of my other favorite features of this property is this gorgeous butler's closet that could definitely be used as a nice coffee station, pastry station, snacks, that type of thing. Thank you for joining me today on the tour for my client's home, and I am super excited to be closing with them this month. Stay tuned for more. See you later.